Okay, Roman Scorpion here. I just got a set of double take mirrors sent to me. These guys right here. Kind of neat. They kind of send them to you in these, basically a koozie stuck over the mirror just for safe shipping. I do like the Touratech mirrors. However, the surface area of the lens itself is just too small for me. I need something that's a little bit bigger than that. So we're going to give that a whirl now and see what it all looks like. I just want to just try something a little bit different. Give myself a little bit more visibility, plus the foldability for going off-road is kind of a secondary benefit to that. These are nice mirrors. I'll probably hang on to them for a while. And if for some reason they're not really what I'm looking for, then I'll go to the next step. But now it's going to be the fun of figuring out which hardware I want to use. I know that's the guy right there. But we're gonna still has to retain that though. Retain that handguard, and that is significantly smaller. So I may end up going with the larger bolt and snagging the nut off the double take. Unless there's a washer in this bin. There's a lock washer, but I believe that's going in the head there. Probably go with that one. That guy there. That bolt, that guy there, and looks like him. What it look like there? That may be the animal. Grab this guy and no, that guy's a different thread. What is that about? Let's see. What about him? That feels like the right guy. Yeah, it's kind of the drawback to the universal kits. You got just a multitude of different options, and we'll get it figured out. I'm gonna see what these things look like, and seen lots of reviews, and I just mentioned the fact that I'd like to try them, and miraculously, they just showed up in the mail. I don't think you could be much simpler on assembling these. They send you all sorts of little cards to scan for instructions and all of that, and that is pretty cool, but I don't think it's something that you generally really need. A little bit of common sense goes a long way. Take that off. This guy right here goes in here. Loosen it up a little bit more. Put this together. And that's pretty much the deal. That goes together pretty easy. I think that that's definitely a beneficial. I'll mess around with that a little bit and adjust that out. But yeah, that's not bad. I mean, you can't get much simpler than that. A couple minutes and you've done a complete change, and then have the ability to move these wherever you want. That I like. I'm going to go ahead and throw the other one on and then show you what it looks like. All right, well, I got them on. I bolted them on. There'll be some fine-tuning adjustments once I go to take it for a quick ride. I'll move stuff around, kind of get things set up where I want them. But there's a significant difference between the Touratech ones and those. I mean, the lens size itself, the glass size itself is significantly larger. Give me a lot more visibility, especially when I'm commuting to work or whatever. But, you know, and still gives me the ability to fold them, or even just loosen it, take it off and put it in the saddlebag or in the top box, just to keep it secure or whatever when I'm doing some of the off-road stuff. But I think other than that, these are definitely a hit. Now I know why everybody's going for these. It definitely makes sense. I'm gonna mess with them a little bit and all of that, and then I'll do a full review on them, I guess. See how they hold up over a bit of time. Don't know if I should have Loctited those on or not, but I'm just going to go with it as it is. It does have a locking ring on it, a locking washer, so we'll see how that works. But I'll hang on to these Touratech ones for a bit, and I don't know, may end up donating them or doing a giveaway with them or whatever. They're perfect condition. It's just not really what I was looking for. But we'll see how that goes over the next week or two or longer. Take it for a ride, see how it looks. That's about it. I appreciate everything. Subscribe and like. Stay safe.